measurement is a quite big market. Every tech company that has hardware, you will find people that have to create program procedures to call data and to acquire data from instruments and to read instrument data from several different instruments. And these instruments can come from different vendors. And each company worldwide has to write again and again program procedures. And this basically means a lot of costs, a lot of working hours, and also a lot of nerves, because you have to read into the programming manuals of these instruments. And every time you write again a new procedure or a new program, and if you want to measure something different, you have to again start writing a new program. So this is really inefficient how it is solved at the moment. And we thought basically it would be nice if we could write a program where each instrument is like a module, and each user can combine these modules, and these modules can be shared across all users. So once an instrument is included, everybody worldwide can include this instrument. So you just download the driver, and then you can already use it and collect data from a certain instrument.